Hello friends, today we shall be looking at an amazing and unique method to use the regular Vlookup function in Excel. Now, suppose your manager gives you an Excel workbook having a purchase register and system report with certain invoice details such as invoice numbers, invoice values, and so on. The task is to perform a reconciliation between both the reports based on the invoice numbers. You are required to find out how many invoice numbers are appearing in the system report from a list of invoices from the purchase register. Now, this is fairly a simple task as you just have to take a Vlookup on the invoice numbers and your task would get over within a minute. Well, let's do this. As you can see, we are currently in the purchase register where we have the invoice level details. Now, the invoices from purchase register are listed in column E. Also, the invoice numbers from system report are listed in column E as you can see. Now, let's go back again in the purchase register and use the Vlookup in column F to look up invoices appearing in the system report. So we type in cell F2 is equal to Vlookup, then under lookup value we shall select the original invoice number in cell E2. Then, under the table array, we shall go to the system report worksheet and select the column E. Then for column index number, select 1, as we are just selecting one column in the table array. Then under the range lookup argument, we shall select false or 0 for exact match and click on enter and drag the formula to the subsequent rows. As you can see, we have received only 3 invoices which are exactly matching from the system report. But that's not the correct reconciliation. Let's check the other invoices where the Vlookup could not find those in the system report. Let's search the invoice from cell E2. As you can see, when I am trying to find this invoice in the system report, Excel has found this where even the location is the same in both the reports. Let's see another example. Let's select invoice from cell E9 and search in the system report. Again, Excel has found this invoice and with the same location. As you see, these invoices are not exactly matching, but partially matching with some minor differences between the two invoice numbers. So, how can we tackle this challenge without having to search invoices manually? Is there any way where we can use the Vlookup function for returning partial match cases? Also, here, the range lookup as approximate match instead of exact match won't work as we are dealing with alphanumeric lookup values. So how can we do this? Well, Excel has every solution for you. There is a technique where we can tweak the lookup value to include every extra number or alphabet appearing on its left or right side, and this becomes a combination. This is done using a wildcard character, which is the star or the asterisk symbol. Let's do this. In cell, we type is equal to Vlookup. Then before selecting the lookup value cell, we shall open double quotes and type the star symbol, close the double quotes, then type the ampersand symbol. Now select the lookup value cell E2, then again insert the ampersand symbol, open double quotes, add the star symbol, and close the double quotes. Now this has become our new lookup value. Now under the table array, we shall select the column E from the system report, which is the invoice number, then under column index number, type 1 and under range lookup select false or 0 as we need the exact match here. Now, click on enter and you can see the Vlookup has returned a value. Let's drag the formulas and here you go. You can see there is no error like we received in column F, and all the invoices appearing in column G, excluding the 3 exact match cases as highlighted, are partially matching with some minor differences only in the year or the structure of the invoice. However, the base numeric invoice is matching perfectly. So friends, this is the Vlookup with a wildcard character doing the manual work for you in less than 2 minutes. In cases where the invoice records run into thousands or even lakhs, this partial lookup technique will save your productive time. Now you can impress your manager with this advanced Vlookup technique. That's it for today. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, please share it with your Excel buddies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.